Yes, Jason Cruz here. We are back in the nature. First view side of a nice small fishing water pond. I think it comes from that stream. And now over here is a huge, or like circled around with some grain and grass. Okay. This is beautiful. There are some birds flying around, 4 big birds. I think crane birds. Supposedly we're heading like across to the other side of the field. So I managed to capture 2 of them flying around. If I was a little bit faster with my camera, I could have managed to catch 4. But I was just searching my routes and stuff, what way to go and whatnot. Over here you can see that grass a little bit better. Oh, that's nice. Dark green and some type of paths. Yeah. I think over here it's a faster way to the viewpoint. So it should be nice. Go over here. It's the wider field. Some more flower, more grass in it. It's pretty wide. Goes far across. Hope you guys can see clearly. Sun is coming up pretty good. It's just cloudy today. Still raining season. But we're about to head. And okay, let's quickly see what's across here. Yeah. Two ponds, one pond link up to each other. So it's actually one big one in the middle. Nice pot. This is great, ain't it? Beautiful, beautiful day. Should take a seat and just listen to the nature. Random chair. Hello, Mr. Chair. How are you doing? I'm Jason Cruz. Nice to meet you. A couple of birds doing some crazy stuff. Here is the big river again, or the big stream. Where we came from. Right, let's head back. Nice to meet you. Hope you're having an awesome day. Stay sunny. So yeah, just say goodbye to Mr. Chair. Rawr. Gotta stay rough on this path. Gotta fit in, you know. Gotta stay tuned for what's coming up next. Eye kitchen. And I see a monument over there, so let's read it. And further up ahead, it's a wider path to see something about a person. Hubert Lahan, conservator, Hageven until 2006. Nice to meet you, Hubert. So, should be interesting. I don't know why some sides are fenced and some sides not. Supposedly should be alright here. There they are lifting off. The birds are awake. I'm heading through a spot for a nice better viewpoint, and it's also like a bird watching tower if you're interested. Not like into spotting too much wildlife or birds, but it's always nice if you come here, because I don't know anything about it, but I like filming it though. It's like so natural, so random. Like this little guy here. Just spotted him. Always something interesting if you head through the forest. Some more friends. Hello, Mr. Chair. Ooh, let me take a checkpoint up here. This two kind of fellas. They know I'm around here. They know I'm around here. Look at that big boy. Straight to vacation land. I think it's Brussels Airline. This is blue. Blue and red. Can't be Brussels Airline. Wow. Welcome to Belgium. Hello, Mr. Chair. Can I have my backpack pack? My day pack, as we call it. Is you packed enough for the whole day? Cause yo, why not? Let's see what's further up. Wow. It's mirroring. Beautiful shot right here. It's like a painting in the water. I like to see that. And there's some type of shelter. Supposedly should not be raining until like 2 o'clock or 6 o'clock in the evening, PM. Now it's still AM in the morning. And we're cruising. I could have taken my e-bike out, but I just wanted to take a walk. It's always nice. What a beautiful swan right there. Hope you guys can see it. Let me see if I can get it better. I don't want to scare him away. Meanwhile, take some cool pictures, because this phone gives me the option to film and take pictures. And I ordered a night vision camera, so if I come earlier, it's dark, I can still like view with one camera and film it and take my phone out for better views. Or another angle, because this zoom is crazy good, but on the night vision I can like film in the night, take some shots into 200 or 300 meters across, also take pictures. I've got day and night optical lens, so this should be good. Only the filming isn't too good, I think, but it's still, for the price, very good. What you doing, Mr. Swan? He's just having his bath, morning bath. Waking up nicely. So comfy. Well, he's heading the other way. I want to see over there, because there's more to view. This place, the Lozerheide, and what was the other side? It was really, really good. Look at this nest. How cute is that? Hello. Good morning, birdie. Don't be so shy. see what is in the shack. He's protecting his nest. But the other one is out, chilling. It's really nice. I'm happy that there's still sort of fans. And what's up here? All the type of birds you can watch. Some type of ducks, some type of... Ooh, big birds. Gooses, reigers. Wow. That ain't too shabby. Take a sip. And just let the camera stand like this. Another big one. Duck, duck, goose. Chilling in between some sticks. Right here. Get some more ducks up ahead. This is the closest I can zoom in while filming. Oh, he's gone. He's diving and stuff, like he's hardcore. There's still a lot of stream though, you can see them up ahead. Some more coming out. But the duck family. I like the way they go. They're racing pretty fast, fellas. Pacey. Come on. I don't have all time. Keep on going. Dive to the left. Dive to the right. Yeah. Crisscross. Oh, what is this? Chiller. You just cruising. I'm just cruising. Oh, he's still making noises though. He's drinking? I don't know. Looking for food? He goes deep, man. Wow. It's like a scuba diver. I watch where you're going. Big fella. Let's just keep going. That was interesting. Put on the sign if you want to go back. The Wulp Visiting Center. You can have like a cruise, a tour, food and dinner, or just walk around on your own path if you like. Do what you like. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go this way. Because on the right side I know there's more the path of street and a different area where to go. Oh, he's following me. Finally you're watching me. Eye gazing. Big guy. Pretty beautiful though. Pretty guy. Aren't you? Have a nice day. So funny. There's some more ahead. I can hear them. Well, it was peaceful and quiet. There was like 2 of them right here. One other one, the big pond with some other ducks, and then I can hear some bloop bloop bloop. It's funny. Why am I hearing it so loud though? What is going on here? I don't know what this is. It's just some bubbles in the water. Get some animals down there. Can't do much. You just watch. I don't know what this is. It's just like a pipe. I think it's just a water pipe. But that's funny though. It's so loud, I thought it was an animal. There will be like some filter or whatever. Beautiful though. It just keeps on going. And we got like this path. We can go to the right more, through the fields, follow it. Nah, I'm just gonna choose this one. It's beautiful. Ooh. I like the way it goes. Can walk through these fields. Hope that it stays steady though, because I don't want to end up blopping. Okay. Look at them take off. Huge windmill. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun going through this. But good thing I didn't break my bicycle for this ride. This is a lot dangerous than the other ones. If you tip over the side, I can hear some wood crack here and there. But it's ticking up very good if I walk on the bolts. It's better. The screws, whatever. It's not so swampy, it's more like, you know, the grain, I mean, the tall grass, the plants makes it look a lot nicer. Yeah, it's hard to see through until the other side of the path. Like, there's a huge field, but I'm just like, hey. But it's nice to see like the hyacinth and other plants are coming out. Oh, what a nice tree. Woo, that's a big fella. Ooh. Stay on the screws. Because you got like a, you know, they're screwed on. In the middle is nothing, so it's better to walk on them. This is crazy though. It's like a Sahara type of tree. Whoa. Look at that boy. Wow. Wild area. It's very beautiful. Ooh, look how wild this is and dark. You want a ghillie suit? Just stand under this tree. Like this. Hiding. Because yo, why not? Ah, this is amazing. This is really, truly beautiful. This open area. Exactly. That's good, ain't it? Now while we're going through here, there's another crazy tree with extra fishing, water pond. See what's behind it. How can we not go across? I don't know. There's another water pond. Maybe a little further up ahead. Damn. This is crazy cool. I don't know why I'm running, but I'm so excited to see. Let's go across. Some more hillside. So while I'm walking around here, I should be able to find my way, or actually get a nicer view of what it looks like. It's not too big, I'm not gonna bother it, but I can get closer if I follow this way. There's a lot of water around, so alright, this is it. Not more, not much, just some grass, but it is something that's worth seeing. So let's go back to the path, see where we come up to. I'm having a blast. Happy that I brought my warmer jacket and everything with me, and it should be good. Hope you all are excited and still following me, and if you like and subscribe to my channel, you can see much more. Because wow, why not, yo, why not? Everything is locked. Interesting. As you can see, I'm the only person around here at the moment. I saw some people walking, but it's near their houses, not into the fields or anything too much. But I know this is a huge terrain. I can also go back the other side. But I'm just following a path and see where I come up. I'll come out to. So I love these crazy like den or pine trees. Using the smaller ones. They get destroyed or something. Wow. And these are more water size. I see some animal in the distance. Grey goose or some ducks, I think. Saw from the picture. One is in the water, the others are just chilling. Nice. Okay, it's just. So yeah, in the future, I was talking about my night vision camera for wildlife. Well, it's a nice extra to capture some footage of where I'm going or what I can see. Use it as a binocular night vision to save me to see what's coming ahead of me. This nature and wildlife. Man, this is so loud. Let's do something different, you know. This channel, let's fine tune it. Let's make it interesting again. And also have like a mount or like a vest to strap my phone on and get some action footage, so I don't have to hold it the whole time. But I have some like finger lock. I can just wrap it around my finger and hold it. Now it's coming with me like a brace knuckle. And also for like a new medical pack with some better survival kit than I have now to yeah, just keep it updated. And the one thing I'm excited for is the drone, so I can see these open waters, fly across with the birds and the nature. That will be awesome to capture some more footage. And here we are again, guys. It's an awesome stream. It stops right here, goes under, head forward through the field. See, there's some stream and lots of grass. The sunshine is coming through. How good is that? And here we have our friends again, Mr. Che. Hello. It's been a long walk, long time no see, my friend. What up? What up? See you again. So that's like another sandy path upcoming. Looks interesting. Always if you go through the forest. I know I'm saying it a lot, but I love to say it. It's my like thanks. Like, yo, why not? Let's head through the forest. If there's something interesting, you gotta go through the forest, because yo, why not? That's how you should say it. And then like, you know, CJ, Jason Cruz, 0.19, why 19? Because it's my birthday, it's my favorite number, and it's a holy number. It's 19, means a lot. I don't know what to say about it, but it's just a number. So let's find something interesting. Stones, pine trees, then in a circle, growing wild. The obelisk of the den tree. And some more Mr. Chairs. Well, we can make a path through this. Hopefully. This is leading somewhere. So, yeah, this is like the other path I was first following to capture some birds, but I went through the forest. And now we are close together. So let's see what this is bringing. Number 6. Let's see. Just like a house, farm field, another plane, and this windmill that's not moving at all. Well, I was waiting for some more bridges. I don't know on the map where I'm at yet. I'm already 30 minutes through almost. So right now, if I don't see anything further up ahead, I will pause the video and I will keep you updated once I get there and show you how this area looks like. And hopefully you found something interesting, some more cool animals, some bridges like I told you, a view tower. You found a lot around here, and then we'll keep you updated. Right guys, this was it. Jason Cruz, and wildliving, staying rough, doing my reckless thing, discovering and exploring like we did earlier today on checkpoint 1. This is checkpoint 2 and almost checkpoint 3. There's 2 and 3 in the same area. And yeah, I will keep you updated. Stay tuned for part number 3. 'Cause yo, why not? Peace.